Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned in to the 579 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with a story that could reshape health insurance experiences for millions. From Business Standard, the Association of Health Providers, India, recently held a crucial discussion with general and health insurers. The topic? A potential game changer, a common empanelment process for hospitals, and a faster, more streamlined claim settlement system. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry if your preferred hospital is on your insurer's network. This initiative aims to create a unified framework, reducing paperwork and administrative hurdles for both patients and hospitals. The ultimate goal is to shift the focus from claim disputes to what truly matters: patient care. By fostering collaboration, the industry hopes to build a more transparent and efficient ecosystem, ensuring that policyholders receive timely medical attention without financial stress. Up next, we spotlight a heartening story from the Times of India about protecting those who protect us. The State Bank of India, through its insurance arm SBI Life, is stepping up to provide additional insurance cover to police personnel in Jharkhand. This move offers a crucial financial safety net beyond the existing government coverage. It's designed to support the families of officers who face the ultimate sacrifice or suffer severe disabilities in the line of duty. This special group insurance scheme is a powerful acknowledgement of the risks our law enforcement officers take every day. It's a testament to how tailored insurance solutions can provide peace of mind and security for our frontline heroes and their loved ones. Our next update from Insurance Business Magazine signals a significant vote of confidence in India's economy. BXCI, or Bermuda Stock Exchange, and Singapore Exchange Limited has launched a new platform called BXCI, India Private Credit. This initiative is designed to channel international capital into India's growing private credit market. What does this mean for the insurance and investment landscape? It opens up a new avenue for global investors to participate in India's growth story. By appointing its first local head, BXCI is demonstrating a strong commitment to the market. This influx of foreign capital can provide alternative funding for Indian businesses, fueling innovation and expansion, and further solidifying India's position as a key global investment destination. And for our final story today, we turn to the Hindu Business Line for a fascinating example of niche insurance innovation. The Agriculture Insurance Company of India, AIC, and the Andhra Pradesh Gramina Vikas Bank, APGB, have signed a memorandum of understanding to launch a specialized insurance product for shrimp farmers. Shrimp farming, or aquaculture, is a vital but high-risk sector, vulnerable to diseases, sudden changes in water quality, and equipment failure. This new insurance scheme is specifically designed to protect farmers against such losses. By partnering with a regional bank like APGB, the scheme ensures it reaches the grassroots, making it accessible and affordable for the farming community. This is a brilliant example of how insurance is evolving beyond traditional crops to safeguard diverse agricultural livelihoods and enhance the resilience of our rural economy. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.